The case that moved residents and visitors in Florianópolis, Brazil, is under investigation. The community dog known as Orelha, beloved by the Praia Brava community, was a victim of abuse and died after suffering attacks that shocked the state of Santa Catarina. The civil police confirmed that a group of 4 teenagers from rich families is suspected of involvement in the crime. On Monday morning, 26, the civil police executed 3 search and seizure warrants at locations linked to the suspects, seizing cell phones and electronic equipment for forensic analysis. One of the warrants also sought to locate a firearm allegedly used to intimidate a witness in the case, although the object was not found. Authorities say that 2 of the 4 teenagers are currently in the United States on a trip that, according to findings, was already planned before the crime, and are expected to return to Brazil next week to give statements and proceed with the investigation. In addition to Orelha's case, investigations also cover a second episode involving an attempted drowning of another dog in the region, which survived. Orelha's death triggered widespread social media mobilization, with communities, NGOs, and citizens calling for justice and accountability, emphasizing the need for stricter punishments in animal cruelty cases. In Brazil, animal abuse is a crime under Article 32 of the Environmental Crimes Law since the enactment of known as the Sanção Law. Penalties have been increased when the crime involves dogs or cats. The law establishes a prison sentence ranging from 2 to 5 years, in addition to fines and a ban on keeping animals. When abuse results in the animal's death, as in Orelha's case, the maximum penalty may be applied. However, because the suspects are teenagers, they are not prosecuted as adults. Instead, they are subject to measures under Brazil's Child and Adolescent Statute, which may include warnings, community service, supervised freedom, or detention, depending on the severity of the act and court decisions. Legal experts emphasize that even when committed by minors, acts of extreme violence against animals are treated seriously by Brazilian courts and may result in legal consequences and mandatory psychological monitoring.